Let's have a look at another card combination. The Six of Cups. This is the two children playing in a courtyard in a castle. They're in a safe environment. This is really a happy childhood memory, familiarity, connection, and community. Together with the Two of Cups. The Two of Cups is a beautiful card of harmony, of coming together, of unity. A lot of people are saying that this is the ultimate card of love, of two people coming together. So if you want to go with the root of love, this could be your childhood sweetheart that you are going to marry. This could also be looking back at your childhood and really seeing what stood out for you and how you've grown from that inner child and growing and meeting your higher self and stepping up into the next level of awareness and working on your inner child stuff to really come into unity with yourself. But this is definitely a card combination. It's all emotions, it's all the cups. So there's a lot of emotional stability, emotional, emotional familiarity is the word I'm looking for, emotional familiarity, and coming together with yourself or with somebody else that is also meeting that potential inner child familiarity of love and of what you are looking for that's coming together as an adult.